Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best mascara is probably one of the most transformative beauty products available, capable of taking your look from subtle to stunning in just a few swipes. And today we're diving deep into the world of lash enhancement to uncover which formulas truly deliver on their promises of volume, length, and curl, ensuring your eyes become the undeniable focal point of your entire appearance. Number 5. Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara. Introducing the Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara. Get ready to experience lashes that reach new heights, with incredible volume and length. This volumizing and lengthening mascara defines and curls every lash. Its unique formula multiplies for a dramatic, multiplied effect. Achieve your desired look with its buildable formula. Layer it up for intense definition and curl without any clumps. The intense, very black shade provides a bold finish. It enhances your eyes for a captivating look that lasts all day. Enjoy stunning lashes without the hassle. This formula is washable and easy to remove, making your beauty routine effortless. Transform your lashes with this all-in-one mascara. It delivers on volume, length, definition, and curl for the ultimate lash look. What we like? This mascara delivers incredible length and volume, reaching new heights for your lashes. If you're aiming for a dramatic, eye-opening look that lasts all day, this is your go-to. Choose it if you want to make a bold statement with your lashes. What people say. The brush is fantastic and it makes my lashes look long, full, and defined without clumping or flaking. Long-lasting during the day but removes cleanly at night. Brush is easy to use and separates lashes beautifully. Number 4. Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Introducing the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Get ready for a full fan effect that lengthens and volumizes your lashes like never before. Its unique applicator fans out each lash, creating a stunning, wide-eyed look. Experience incredible length and volume with every stroke. Achieve the deepest, most captivating gaze with our blackest black shade. It provides intense color payoff for dramatic results. This formula is designed to both lengthen and volumize, giving you the best of both worlds. Say goodbye to clumpy, sparse lashes. Enjoy beautiful lashes without the hassle. It's washable, making removal a breeze at the end of the day. For a sensational look that lasts, reach for this mascara. It's your new essential for achieving perfectly fanned, full lashes. What we like? Experience a full fan of lashes with this formula that provides intense volume and length. It's perfect for those who desire a lush, multiplied lash look without clumping. If you love a dramatic, wide-eyed effect, this mascara is designed for you. What people say. It separates and defines each lash while adding both length and volume. The brush reaches even the tiny corner lashes, giving a full and fanned-out effect. It doesn't clump or flake throughout the day, and the formula washes off easily without rubbing my eyes. Number 3. Vivienne Sabó Cabaret Premier Brown Mascara. Introducing the Vivienne Sabó Cabaret Premier Brown Mascara. Get ready for stunning lashes that turn heads. Experience incredible volume and length like never before. This mascara defines and enhances your natural beauty. Say goodbye to flaking and clumping. Our smudge-proof formula ensures your look stays perfect from morning to night. Enjoy a beautiful, curled lash look that's also washable. Achieve stunning results without any hassle. Feel good about your beauty choices. This cruelty-free mascara is proudly made in Europe, offering exceptional quality. Discover the rich, 05 brown shade that complements any look. It's the perfect addition to your makeup collection. What we like? Achieve beautiful volume and length with a soft, natural brown hue. This formula is designed to be flake-proof and smudge-proof, ensuring your look stays flawless. If you prefer a more subtle, everyday lash enhancement or have sensitive eyes, this brown mascara is an excellent choice. What people say. This mascara not only gave perfect coverage from root easily to tip, it is a perfect level of thickness. There is no clumping. The formula goes on smoothly and adds noticeable length and definition without clumping or weighing my lashes down. One coat gives a natural, defined look, and the second coat builds nicely without getting spidery. It went on easily without clumping or gluing my lashes together and looked natural, but better. I wore it all day yesterday without any irritation or under-eye smudges, and it came off easily with micellar water last night. Number 2. Vivienne Sabó Cabaret Premier Mascara. Introducing the Cabaret Premier Mascara. Get ready for lashes that are longer, fuller, and perfectly defined. Experience incredible volume and length like never before. This formula is designed to enhance every lash. Enjoy a flawless look that lasts. It won't flake or clump, ensuring your eyes stay beautifully defined. Our smudge-proof formula stays put all day but is easily washable. No more worries about smearing or fading. Feel good about your beauty choice. It's cruelty-free and crafted with European quality you can trust. Achieve an intense black finish that makes your eyes pop. This shade provides ultimate definition. What we like? Get dramatic volume and length with this intensely black mascara. Its smudge-proof and clump-free formula ensures a clean, defined finish. If you're looking for a classic, bold black lash look that stays put all day, this is the one for you. What people say. This mascara not only gave perfect coverage from root easily to tip, it is a perfect level of thickness. There is no clumping. The formula goes on smoothly and adds noticeable length and definition without clumping or weighing my lashes down. One coat gives a natural, defined look, and a second coat builds nicely without getting spidery. It went on easily without clumping or gluing my lashes together and looked natural, but better. I wore it all day yesterday without any irritation or under-eye smudges, and it came off easily with micellar water last night. Number 1. Covergirl Lash Blast Volume Mascara, Very Black. Get ready for a lash transformation like never before. This mascara is designed to give you the volume you've always dreamed of. Experience an explosion of volume with every coat. It's the perfect way to make your eyes stand out and command attention. Achieve a deep, dramatic look with its intense black shade. This color adds incredible depth and definition to your lashes. Enjoy beautiful, bold lashes all day long. It's formulated to resist smudging, so your look stays flawless from morning to night. Achieving stunning lashes is now simpler than ever. The brush glides on smoothly for a clump-free application every time. Elevate your makeup game with this essential beauty tool. It's your secret weapon for achieving that perfect, show-stopping lash look. What we like? This mascara is all about building maximum volume for your lashes. The formula is designed to be clump-free, allowing you to layer it for your desired intensity. If you love a full, voluminous lash look and want the flexibility to customize your intensity, this is the perfect mascara for you. What people say. The brush separates my lashes perfectly, no clumps. My lashes still feel soft. When I wash my face, there's no makeup residue. It doesn't clump, it's super dark. It's got a great brush and it fattens and lengthens my short and nearly invisible lashes so that you can actually see them. This is a good mascara for anyone with really sensitive eyes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.